Hello everyone and welcome to Sensation Science Centre in Dundee. My name is Gemma and today we're going to make DNA sequence bracelets. Now did you know that every living thing on Earth has its own unique set of DNA? Unless you have an identical twin, no one has the same DNA as you do. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So this is what a single strand of DNA looks like. It's what we call a double helix. Now if we were to unravel all of the DNA inside our bodies, it would stretch from here all the way to the moon. All DNA is made of only 4 different bases: adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. So our sequence bracelets are going to be built with different pairs of colours of beads. So just like DNA has different base pairs, so that's the A with the T and the G with the C, we're going to have special little beads. So the red will go with the green and the blue will go with the yellow. So first off, you're going to need to print out the special pages from our website. So you've got one page with all the different codes that you're going to need to make your bracelets, and the other page with your instructions and just to make sure you're aware, you know about all the base pairing. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to get is some string, or even some elastic. Elastic works well too. You need a nice little bit about that big to go around your wrist, or you can wear it as a necklace as well if you like. And a matching length. Just make sure they're about the same length. And got the other bit. There we go. And you need to tie a knot. Let's tie them both together, just like that, in one end. Make sure it's nice and tight because you don't want it falling off. Maybe double knot it. Okay. And then you get your code sheet and you choose which code you want to make. So today I'm going to make a monarch butterfly code. Then you need to work out what beads you need. Now remember, you only put them on one string at a time. So first of all, I need a G, which is yellow. And then I need a green one. And then 2 more yellow ones. And you keep on doing this until you finish the whole code. So when you've finished one strand, then you need to do the other strand. But just to be on the safe side, because we don't want to lose any of those beads we've just done, because it's taken us quite a while, tie a little tiny knot in the end of the first strand, because we don't want them to fall off. Now, this is where it gets tricky, guys, because what we need to do now is we need to do the second strand. So that's on the second piece of string. But you can't do what's written on here. You have to do the matching pair. So if we remember that yellow always pairs with blue, so our first one's yellow, so we need to put a blue one first on the second strand. So let's just do that one. And then our next bead was green, and that always pairs with the red one, so we need to pop the red one on next. And so on. So then we need 2 more blue ones to go with those 2 yellow ones we put on. And then we need a yellow one to go with that blue one that we put on. Okay, and when you're finished putting all the beads on, it should look something a bit like this. And then you tie a knot, just to make sure. You get 2 knots in each end, and then you can wrap it around your wrist like this. And then you just need to get an adult to help you tie a knot in the back there, and there you have it. One DNA gene bracelet.